Good morning, guys, and welcome to Storm Morning Meeting. Just to recap yesterday, we had quite a big day volume-wise on the JSE with obviously Naspers and Process being 70% of the contributors. All in all, pretty muted the rest of the market. Just to look globally, I think your S&P is up about 20 points, hitting a new all-time high again last night. Volatility spiking initially on the back of some of the Middle East tensions, but retreating quite back. US 10-year 125, and China tech sort of been a little bit more in the spotlight. We had weaker China data yesterday. Obviously, that might lead to a little bit more stimulus chats there and a bit more potential support for the economy. I think the focus obviously will be tomorrow in our market. Tencent numbers coming out. We had Tencent Music actually came out last night and beat estimates. So it will be interesting to see how the market reacts. I think it will be about guidance. Anyway, looking forward to today. I think we've got bulletins due this morning. Tencent's down 3 plus, maybe close to 4% now at the moment. I still think the market will be focused on Naspers and Process. I think there's definitely going to be where we should be watching again today. Just to jump into one or two of the charts, just quickly on the Rand. I think the Rand's something we need to keep our eyes on. It's broken through the 200-day again, which was at 1476. And there's nothing pretty much until about 1520 area. And certainly this is, this certainly does make our Aussie quite a difficult short. In saying that, I do feel that the market might sort of come test the 61,800 level on futures this morning. So I think anywhere between 62,100, 62,200 is probably a decent short on the Aussie. Right, so jumping into a few levels, Naspers. Let's have a look at Naspers first up. Obviously, massive red candle yesterday. Chart doesn't look great. I do think this is one that we must wait for some action to establish itself. There's been a really, really good trading opportunities. The range yesterday between 2750 and 2600. Obviously, we're going to have probably a little bit of a gap out. It was down 10% or 7.3% yesterday. So I think let's certainly want to be watch the ranges that are play out. I think there's really good opportunities. So I think this morning you could get it between 25.10 is the next level of support. 25.50 obviously also. That's just an idea of somewhere where it's come from. 25.10. Process. One that I think a lot of the tracker funds they were saying that need to own. Similar. I think this morning you can see the market just flushes out early on. 11.58 is quite a level of support. Chart is also quite broken. I think everything is leaning towards obviously the outcome of Tencent tomorrow, but one to watch this morning. On the local front, our local stocks have traded exceptionally well. We had ABSA yesterday that really did well. We've got Standard Bank coming out with results tomorrow. Decent update. I think the local equities are sort of showing their mettle. I think let's watch how Standard Bank trades. I think 131.15 is sort of a level of short-term support, and 128.30. If the stock can get going, I think it needs to get above 140, and we can see a break much higher. And then we've got another one on my radar. We've had Vodacom trading a bit better, breaking out. Also, look, the chart is looking a lot better on Vodis. Really needs to get above 138, I think, and it can really get going. MTN obviously has been an absolute rocket ship. I think this stock really has played out as we said it was going to play out, and I think the overshoots in our market are big. So I would have a look maybe at a stock like Telkom. I know it has been under pressure and poorly looking, but it did have a decent update. We've had a few upgrades in the sector, sort of similar to that Sappi play. We just needed it to flush out, I think, and it did flush at 39.95, which is the 200-day flush through there, and we put in a first green candle. So, one that I would maybe put on my radar today. I think if this one can stay above the 40 level and regain to 41.26 and 42.24. It has a lot of catch up to play. Good luck for the day.